folks. Will Brink here, brinkzone.com, and topic I'm going to cover briefly today is actually kind of a teaser video to discuss some things I've talked to you about in other videos and some of my articles, which has to do with absorption, the impact of solubility on absorption of various compounds, and some new technologies that are coming out that dramatically improve solubility and, in theory, hopefully, absorption. There is, of course, a direct relationship between things that are soluble, water soluble, and absorption and bioavailability and so on. And so I think that's kind of an area in supplement research that has been not ignored, but I don't think it's been focused on as much as it probably could have and should have. And now you do have a number of companies that are starting to really focus on, instead of coming out with, say, a new supplement per se, they may be taking supplements that exist that are very difficult to absorb and improving that existing supplement dramatically. And this depends obviously on the supplement. Some things are almost completely insoluble and damn near impossible to absorb, even though they should have benefit. And there are some things that fall across the spectrum. But I'm putting this video out to sort of show you that I'm on the case looking at some of these technologies. And after this I'm going to cut to a little bit of video so you can see some of the stuff I've been working on. I'm not going to give away a bunch of detail because I have to obviously put this all together as articles and videos. But be assured that there's some really interesting stuff coming out relating to these technologies that will enhance absorption and bioavailability and, of course, effect on you. There's other possibilities, of course, that it may simply allow you to take less of the supplement to get the same effect. It may improve effect all around. A lot of this stuff has to be hashed out. But take a look at the following video for a couple of comments, and I'm sure it's going to pique your interest in what I'm up to, and that will all be followed up in future videos and articles. So you might want to sub up to see what I'm up to in coming videos and articles, and I'll see you all on the Brink Zone. These are some products, technologies I basically have been doing a little research on, as I mentioned before, and they include creatine product, they include a glutamine product, they include a leucine product, and some of these I'll get into more details at some point, but again, what this is a variety of compounds that are not very soluble, that tend to just sit on the bottom, as you can see, or sit on the top of the water, and can prove to be difficult to absorb. And when the solubility is vastly improved, as using in this technology, you can get improvements in bioavailability. And this is creatine with a peptide delivery system that, as you can see, is completely solubilized even in this very small amount of liquid. So this is an exciting technology that I'll be getting more into in future articles and videos. Per previous videos talking about the importance of solubility, one of the most insoluble herbal extracts is Creatine, and this is Creatine sitting right here on the top of the water, which will basically sit there indefinitely. And this is Creatine using a peptide technology, a little different from what I've talked about before, which again I'll have more info, and you can see it solubilizes, stays solubilized, and solubility, should I say, does have an impact on absorption. Creatine, for example, is known not to be absorbed basically at all as far as blood levels. So, and this is something I've covered before, which is curcumin, again using a technology, and curcumin again is known to be, due to solubility, almost completely impossible to absorb, and they've given people up to 12 grams, basically none of it showing up in their blood. And here is the, again, technology that dramatically improves solubility and absorption.